You have a YouTube channel and you upload content. You have around 50 videos, but you still aren't growing. You made a couple of gaming videos, but that didn't seem to work, so you switched to educational content. But that didn't work either. So then you switched to fashion content, and that still didn't work either. You were absolutely frustrated, and now you are at this video. Good, because I'm here to help you out, my friend. My name is Jason from Elevate You Influence, and you clicked this video because you are stuck with your YouTube channel because it's not growing, or you perhaps have no idea how to grow a YouTube channel in the first place. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips that will guarantee growth for your channel as long as you're willing to put in the actual effort for it. The first mistake you might have made with your channel is that you haven't chosen a specific niche to create content for. You're all around the place creating content about gaming, educational content, fashion, all-round stuff. You see a lot of people doing all-round stuff on their channel. Quit immediately. That is not gonna grow your channel. The reason your channel won't go anywhere this way is because YouTube has an algorithm. If you create content about all sorts of stuff, YouTube won't understand what your channel is about. Are you a gamer? Are you a teacher? What do you do? That way YouTube won't push your channel because it's just confused. And not only the algorithm, but even the viewer will be confused. What is your channel about? Why do you do what you do? I'm just gonna go somewhere else. They're not gonna stay around your channel. So the tip I want to give you is choose one specific niche you want to create content for. So gaming, educational content, whatever it may be, and go all in on that niche. The second mistake I see people make is the quality of the video, of the content. It doesn't matter if you're being consistent, if you're not willing to put in the passion and to create actual quality content for the viewer in that specific niche, you ain't going nowhere. Most YouTubers put half the effort into their videos, so it's just because they're lazy or they barely even care about the content. And then the viewer comes along and they see your content and they can instantly notice, they can see that you're creating content you don't care about. Why would the viewer waste their precious time on your content when there's someone else out there creating 10 times the quality content you are? It doesn't make sense. You are simply wasting your potential that way. You're wasting potential, you're wasting your time, you're wasting your energy, you're wasting everything because the content you're creating is not good. If you create content, you need to do it with passion, and the quality needs to be top tier because you're in competition with hundreds, maybe even thousands of other content creators in that specific niche. So my second tip is to not just choose a niche for the sake of choosing a niche, but choose a niche you know stuff about and you care about, and this way you can more easily outplay the other people, the other content creators you're in competition with. Now my third tip, consistent and quality uploads is a must on YouTube, but there is a simple hack in the system that will generate views for your channel no matter how low quality the video may be. Let's say your niche is gaming. Let's say Call of Duty. I can give you an example. I have a small gaming channel. I regularly upload Call of Duty videos. There's a large audience that plays online, but there's also this small audience, this, I call it sub-niche, that doesn't play online, but they still play Call of Duty for a reason. Why is that? So you dive deeper into that sub-niche, and then you find out that you can play online against real players, but you can also play against computer-programmed players. But since most of the majority play online, they're not focused on that offline niche. So I thought, let me do it myself. And you won't believe it, but I gained over 200,000 views from that specific niche alone. Isn't that crazy if you think about it? And this is why it's so important to understand your niche. Because if I didn't care about the niche, I wouldn't have gotten those 200,000 views in the first place. So if you are in a specific niche and you find a topic that the majority of the content creators don't talk about but has a high potential in views, you should with no hesitation start to create content about it. But this is a skill you need to learn. You need to identify which type of content has high potential in views or is simply just boring and not interesting to the viewer. These are my 3 tips to help you repair your YouTube channel. If you find this video interesting, be sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm here to help you out with social media content creation and video editing. For now, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.